Hi, desk dwellers. Yes, you. You with the spine of a shrimp and shoulder currently auditioning for Mount Everest. Tired of your chair slowly turning into your life partner? Stiff neck from nodding through Teams meeting pretending that you care? Well, I made you the thing. Desk worker yoga flow. Is yoga for people who don't move unless there's coffee involved. No mat, no lycra, no chanting. Just real stretches for real backs that are one email away from collapse. So give your body a break before your chiropractor buys another yacht. Links in bio. Your spine will thank you, or at least stop screaming.